Good morning, HVAC service family. This morning, we're at a customer's house that I was at a few days ago. I was replacing compressor, and once I got deep enough into the system, I saw that the condenser coils were just cracked all up and leaking. So today we're going to remove this old boy here. We're gonna do a little demo on it. We're gonna bring this down, and then we're gonna put this bad boy up in there. The coil is already situated for 22 and 410A. We just have to change the piston. So we're gonna replace the piston and the coil while we have it down and charge it back up and do what we do, folks, out here in summer in VA.